year, millions of patients struggle in MRI scanners and just uncomfortable and unable to stay for up to 1 hour. So, we introduce Aivexa. MRI scans, even though they are revolutionary, but still face big problems. First, long scan times, which patient must lie still in the MRI scanner for 30 to 60 minutes, causing the second problem, which is patient discomfort, which causes patient has claustrophobia, stress, and anxiety. From this, patient might move, which cause the third problem, which is image artifact, because of the movement, and this might cause the fourth problem, which is poor image quality.
Hi, my name is Mara and I will be your engineer today, and I will explain about our innovation. Imagine MRI that doesn't just scan but can listen to your body, like our trademark from noise to knowledge, from signal to science. Our system integrates biosensing with artificial intelligence to make our MRI scanner smarter, faster, and more comfortable. Introduce to you our innovation, Aivexa. In our MRI, we include for you a several biosensor to detect a patient's heart rate, respiratory rhythm, skin temperature, and macro movement of the patient. Firstly, let's move to the patient heart rate. The sensor we use the optical photogrammetry, which is PPG, and low power radar sensor. And the second one is respiratory rhythm. We use acoustic microphone and motion-based chest tracking. And the third one, we have the macro movement. Macro movement, we use a triaxial MEMX accelerometers. And the last one, we have for the skin temperature, we use the infrared thermal imaging that placed at the forehead or dorsal hand of the patient. We know that MRI magnetic and acoustic field will create a very heavy noise, like this video. I show you, this is how MRI sounds. So that's when our first AI, which is convolution neural networks and autoencoder, come into cleaning and denoising the signal, preserving only the true physiological patterns. Our CNN, convolution neural network, analyze the waveform to recognize the spatial temporal pattern of noise versus the true signal. Then comes our autoencoder to learn to construct a clean signal from the corrupted inputs. So the second one, we have a multi-modal deep learning. What AI is this? We use a transformer to fuse this clean signal from CNN to interpret the patient emotional state in real time. Combine this data stream into a single emotional state vector, a representation of how calm, anxious, or restless the patient at each moment. If it detects anxiety, this comes our third AI, which is reinforcement learning agents. This AI will diminish the light, softening the gradient noise, and synchronizing airflow to the patient breathing. And the last one, AI that we provided is AI-assisted compressive sensing. What AI is this? This AI will reconstruct high-quality image from last data, cutting scan time significantly while maintaining diagnostic clarity. This algorithm can predict a missing information, thereby reducing the need for extensive data acquisition. So we call this AI CS. This CS uses an innovative approach to iteratively reconstruct understandable case-based data in pseudo-random manner.
We provide you with the state-of-the-art of MRI innovation. Though the MRI market is highly competitive, let's look at other products from other companies which is currently in the MRI market. First, we have the direct competitors. We have companies and research groups that are developing in MRI-based AIs as well as sensor-augmented imaging systems. First, we have the VR hardware system or the autophatic immobilization devices. From GE Healthcare, we have the AIR Recon DL, which specializes in AI-based image reconstructions. And then we have Siemens Healthineers Deep Resolve, specializes in AI acceleration in MRI. And then we have Philips Smart Speed, which is specifically for deep learning image reconstructions. Finally, we have Canon Medical, Advanced Intelligence Clear IQ Engine, AICE. Now let's look at indirect competitors. These are organizations offering adjacent technologies that overlap partially with our innovations. Firstly, we have Embrace or aspect imaging, specifically for compact MRI systems for pediatrics as well as point of care. Second, we have HeartVista, which is a real-time AI cardiac MRI guidance. Then we have NeuroPace and Empatica. These are wearable biosensors and emotional state tracking, specifically for medical monitoring. And finally, we have academic research on metasurface MRI coils, as well as AI motion correction. Some of academic researchers includes from MIT, KAUST, as well as Tsinghua University.
Okay, Okay, so for the market overview, in 2023, the MRI equipment market was valued at $7.4 billion US. So by 2024, it's expected to reach $7.76 billion, and by 2022, an impressive $12.2 billion. That's a strong 5.8% compound annual growth rate, which is showing how essential the MRI has become in modern healthcare. The global artificial intelligent magnetic resonance imaging, which is the MRI, market size is estimated at USD 6.48 billion in 2024, and it is anticipated to reach around USD 16.65 billion by 2034, and expanded at a CAGR of 9.89% from 2000 to 2034. So basically, we can tell the simple put, which is the MRI is become more accessible, more advanced, and also more in demand than ever. So our primary target segments are perfectly aligned with this group, which is for diagnostic and also hospital, making up almost 60% of the market, which is the image quality, comfort, and efficiency matter most. For research and academic medical institution, which is around 25%, constantly exploring and testing the next wave of imaging innovation. And lastly, for the MRI equipment manufacturer, about 50%, who are always looking for integration-ready, AI-driven upgrades to stay ahead. So guys, imagine MRI experience that's smarter, faster, and also more comfortable than ever before. So that's exactly what we offer. So firstly, a smart MRI hardware integration. We upgrade the existing MRI machine with motion sensor, data surface, and also the physiological monitors. That means the real-time tracking and also the clear image, so no more blurry effect. So for the second, AI-driven image reconstruction. Our AI using CNNs and also the auto encoders automatically plays and input the image. So the result, the shorter scan time, higher resolution, and also the smoother workflow. Then patient-centric comfort system, which is we use the reinforcement learning and fuzzy logic, and we adjust the lighting, sound, and airflow to keep the patient calm and also still for better image and happier patients. Or the data analytics and predictive insight. Basically, we can analyze the emotion and stress patterns and even predict the scheduling needs to help the hospital runs more effectively. And lastly, for the hospital integration suite, our system connects with the hospital, which is the PACS, and also the RIS, offers the cloud AI updates and provide an easy dashboard for regular use. Everything can work seamlessly, so hospital can focus on patient.
Now, you have known how Aivexa works, so let's talk about how we plan to bring this Aivexa technology to the market. First, target partnership. So, we will collaborate with leading MRI manufacturers like Siemens, GE, and Philips for co-development and retrofitting options. These partnerships ensure our AI MRI integrates seamlessly into existing workflows while gaining trust in the medical community. Second, marketing and branding comfort. We will host live promotion at major radiology conferences such as RSNA and ECR, showcasing our products during live promotion. Third, digital and content marketing. We will use social media platforms to target radiologists, imaging centers, and biomedical engineers, positioning our brand as a thought leader in intelligent MRI technology. So that's how we will sell this MRI. That's not just a smart but patient-centered solution. This is how we market, and this is how we will win your heart. Aivexa.